Hi, boys and girls. It's time for Fundations, Week 5, Day 2. Let's get started with some drill sounds. B, bat, b. F, fun, f. M, man, m. N, nut, n. I, itch, I. C, cat, k. U, up, O, octopus, aw. A, apple, ah. G, game, g. Awesome job. We're down with the large sound cards. Now let's go to the standard sound cards. Let's do vowels first. A, apple, a. I, itch, I. O, octopus, aw. U, up, B, bat, b. C, cat, k. F, fun, f. G, game, g. M, man, m. N, nut, n. T, tap, t. Awesome. Let's do the vowel extension. A, apple. A, apple. A, apple. I, itch. I, itch. I, itch. O, octopus. O, octopus. O, octopus. U, up. U, up. U, up. Awesome job. Okay, so now let's talk about the way we write the letter A. A is a plain line letter. When you start the plain line, you curve down, around to the grass line, back up to the plain line, and straight down to the grass line. A, apple, a. We'll try that again. You start at the plain line, you go around, down to the grass line, up to the plain line, and straight down to the grass line. A, apple, a. One more time. You start at the plain line, you curve down, around to the grass line, back up to the plain line, and down to the grass line. A, apple, a. All right, so let's go to the lowercase g. When you do the lowercase g, you first do the C, then the A, but you keep going all the way down to the grass line and you hook down at the grass line. So when you start at the plain line, you curve down, around to the grass line, you go back up to the plain line, down to the worm line, and then hook. G, game, g. And once again, you start at the plain line, you curve down, around to the grass line, go back up to the plain line, straight down past that grass line and go to the worm line and hook. G, game, g. One more time, you start at the plain line, you curve back down around to the grass line, back up to the plain line, straight down to the worm line, and then hook. G, game, g. Great job. Okay, boys and girls, for this next activity, you need your writing grid, you need a dry erase marker, and you need your dry erase eraser. So if you want to pause the video and go get those things, and when you're ready, just unpause the video and let's get started. So here's what we're going to do. I think that's better. I am going to say a sound, and I'm going to say it twice, and you're going to write the sound you think makes that. You're going to write the letter that makes that sound on your writing board. All right, let's get started. Let's do k. K. It's a plain line letter. It's a rounded plain line letter, and the key word is cat. The letter is C. C, cat, k. Great. Next one, B. B. It is a skyline letter. The key word is bat, and the letter is B. You start from the plain line, you go down to the grass line, you go back up to the plain line and give B a belly. B, oh. Bat, B. I don't know what happened just there. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Let's do ah. Ah. It is a vowel. It is a rounded plain line letter. The key word is apple, and the letter is A. So when you make an A, you start on the plain line, you fly backwards, go around down to the grass line, just like the letter C that we just made. You go back up to the plain line and straight line down, and you stop at the grass line. A, apple, ah. Okay, and the next letter is It is a plain line letter. It is a vowel. The picture is up. The keyword, is up. And the letter is U. You start at the plain line, you curve down, go down and curve back up to the plain line, and then straight down to the grass line. U, up, okay, and let's do G. G. It is a plain line letter, and it's the one where you use the worm line. The keyword is game, and the letter is G. So when you make a G, you curve down and around like you're doing the letter C, then go back up like you're doing the letter A, and down, and you don't stop there like the letter A. You go straight down and then hook back up. Ooh, that's a little sloppy right there, isn't it? Okay, G, game, G. All right, boys and girls, for today, I just want a picture of you watching the video and doing this game with me. And that's all I really want from you guys today. I hope you learned a lot today, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.